Hey guys, if you're currently on SSDI or SSI, this video is made for you. The $2,000 stimulus payment is live, and I'm going to walk you through the hidden eligibility site I used to lock in my own payment. I'll show you exactly how to fill it out so you get paid. No fluff, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is open your browser on your device. I'll be using Safari. You can use any browser, really works. And what you want to type in is myaidcampus.com/stimulus. myaidcampus.com/stimulus, and just search that. Now it might take a few seconds to load, so just let it load and you will get to this site here. Now you can kind of take a look around here, read through the information here, but the very next step you need to do here is hit the check eligibility now button, so do that. Once that is loaded up, you will get to a site that looks like this. You also make sure you actually do this on your phone, because it doesn't work when you fill this on a desktop, so on a PC, laptop, whatever, use your phone. So what you need to do here is, it's pretty obvious, you need to fill out your personal information. Now make sure all the personal information you fill here is accurate, is correct, is yours, because this is a site that will search for all the eligible programs you might be, entitled to receive, any relief packages, stimulus checks, everything like that. So they have to know exactly who you are. They have to know, all this information about you, so they can connect you with the correct programs you are eligible for. Okay, so make sure this information is correct. Then select this and click continue. Here you can see what you will receive. So obviously now I'm going to fill this out, and I will check in with you guys when I fill this, because obviously I don't want to leak my personal information. Okay, I'll see you then. Nice. So after you fill your personal information, there might be a quick survey. So just go quickly through the survey as well. Again, it's a survey that is gonna help you or help them and connect you with the best programs you are truly eligible for. And then you will get to a site like this, and here you will see all the programs you are eligible for. So just you can click any one of them, read through it, and of course there's a button, so just click apply now. It will take you directly to the government site where you can apply. You have here the benefits, requirements, documents you'll need to apply. So yeah, that's that. There's always the estimated benefit, so you can exactly see how much you can receive from this exact relief package. What's the application time? So yeah, it pretty much a site that summarizes all the programs you might be eligible for. Okay, that's that. So I'll just, for the sake of this video, I'll just go and apply to one of them. Okay, I think I'll choose this one. So with the application time might be a bit longer, there are many applicants. So okay, so as I said, you can read through it, click apply now, it will take you to the government site. So I will apply and I'll check in with you guys after I apply, and wait a couple of days for the payment to arrive, if I'll be one of the lucky applicants. Hey guys, look at that, I just received the payment. So it came through successfully. I was able to claim $2,000 for the housing relief package. So just choose any one of them, apply, and you'll see. So I was one of the lucky few that got to receive this payment. Okay, if you'll have any further questions, feel free to write them below in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so this video will can help more people. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video.